In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Gmail using PC or laptop. By the end, you'll feel confident signing in, composing a professional message, adding recipients, attaching files, reviewing everything, sending it off, and replying when you get a response. First, sign into your Google account. Open your web browser and go to accounts.google.com. Enter your login details and complete any security prompts. If you're already signed in, you can move on. When you're finished later, remember to sign out if you're on a shared computer to keep your information safe. Next, open Gmail on your PC or laptop by navigating to gmail.com. This brings you to your inbox. On the left side, find the Compose button. Click it, and a new message window will open, usually at the bottom right of the screen. Start by adding the recipient's email address in the To field. Take a moment to double-check spelling and punctuation. A small typo can prevent delivery. If you need to include others, use the CC field for people who should see the message openly. Use BCC to add recipients discreetly so their addresses aren't visible to others. This is helpful for keeping contact details private. Now, add a subject line. Keep it brief and specific so the recipient understands your message at a glance. Think of it as a headline that sets the right expectation. In the message body, write clearly and concisely. Open with a friendly greeting, state your purpose early, and include any important details. Short paragraphs make your email easier to read. If needed, you can adjust formatting using the toolbar, like bold for headings or lists for clarity, but keep it clean and professional. If you need to attach files, click the paperclip icon at the bottom of the Compose window. Select the documents, images, or PDFs from your computer. Wait for the upload to complete, and make sure the attachments appear below the subject line so you know they're included. If a file seems large, give it a moment to finish uploading before you continue. Before sending, review everything. Confirm the recipients and their fields, make sure the subject line matches your message, proofread for typos, and verify the right files are attached. This quick check helps prevent follow-up corrections. When you're ready, click Send. Your email will be delivered to the recipient's inbox, and you'll see it in your Sent folder. To reply to an email you receive, open the message, click Reply, type your response, and click Send. Keeping your reply focused and clear helps the conversation move forward smoothly.